Alright, today I'll show you how to extract info from your Google Sheets table for later use. This is done using get rows in Sheets, okay? We've entered, right? We already have a few things selected here. We can choose a resource like a specific page or the whole document if we want, okay? Document and, oh, not the whole document, so just Sheets and basically get rows, okay? We select the document and table we want, okay? Now if we hit run and extract, we'll get this data which can be used without any issues, okay? As you can see, we have titles here, we have a prompt here, and then options to combine filters, okay, and more. What kind of filters can we use? We'll see that now. For example, let's say we want to select just one column, okay? We need a value in the column that needs to be adjusted so we can extract the information from that row, right? This applies when we're working with numbers, for instance, okay? We can combine filters using the combine filter option. If we choose and all filters must be met, if or just one filter needs to be met, got it? Then we have data location on sheet, which is the range we can auto-detect or specify to limit how many cells we're reading. The output format, listed as general format, lets us choose what type of format we want, okay? If we want numbers to stay as numbers, it notes that any currency symbols will be lost, okay? Or if we want formatted values, numbers become text. So if it's dollars, it'll show as dollars, got it? For dates, it asks if we want them as January 1st, 2022, or as serial numbers like December 30th, 1899. And lastly, we have return only first matching row. Alright, and what's this for? Well, it's to select the first row in the sheet if there's a filter set up, okay? Usually the first row has titles, descriptions, etc. This lets us select or deselect that column. So yeah, it's that simple.